Down the hatch it goes, landing in a churning pouch of acid so strong it could dissolve a razor blade. But hydrochloric acid doesn't actually digest the burger. It just wakes up the real star, an enzyme called pepsin, which acts like microscopic scissors snipping apart the meat's proteins. So why doesn't this brutal acid bath digest your own stomach? Your body constantly paints the inner walls with a thick, neutralizing layer of mucus. Your burger is finally broken down into microscopic nutrients, but now it has to actually enter your blood. If your small intestine was just a smooth pipe, most of that meal would slide right out. Instead, the inner wall is covered in millions of tiny, finger-like towers called villi. They turn that smooth tube into a dense forest, multiplying your absorption area by a factor of 600. Inside every single one of these towers is a microscopic net of blood vessels. As the nutrient soup washes past, the burger's proteins and sugars are pulled directly across the wall and into your bloodstream. But what happens to the pieces of that burger your body simply cannot use? Welcome to the large intestine. It doesn't care about nutrients anymore. Its primary mission is to wring out every last drop of water, turning that liquid mush into a compact solid. Whatever is left behind, mostly tough fiber from the bun and dead cells, gets packed away in the rectum. And with that final exit, the burger's long journey is officially complete.